do this snell knot is literally go straight through it and then make a loop on top with that. Come back on yourself. Okay. Make sure you've got plenty of room. Now you're just going to pinch them two together. Let's go, let's have it like that. Obviously a little bit neater and hold up to the camera. Now what you're going to do is wrap around it with the tag end 5 times. So here we go. It's going to look like that. Okay. And what we're going to do is that little tag end that we got, this loop we've got here, so we're going to go through there, bit of slither, and I'm going to pull this bit here, the line that's already through. I'm going to pull that really tight. Then you can get your crimping tool or whatever you need. Just pull that tag end. Make sure it's really nice and tight. I'm going to pull this end again, just to pull that tight. Just make sure you keep pulling it as tight as you can. These are big, powerful fish. And that's the knot. I'm just going to keep, I like to double check and make sure that everything is tight. And that is. That's very tight, that's not going anywhere. And then cut the tag end off. And that's what it's going to look like. Okay.